Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing a clip with a clear subject and minimal blur so the tracker has reliable features. Once in Capcut, import your footage and place the playhead where you want tracking to start. This reduces drift. Tap the clip, open track, and place the tracking point near the subject center because that gives the algorithm consistent pixels to follow. Then press start. This immediately analyzes forward. You'll see the tracker follow. If it slips, you'll correct in the next step. Once the automatic pass finishes, scrub slowly and watch for drift on complex moves. You need to be patient here because small errors compound. You should pause at frames where the subject turns or occludes, then nudge the tracking point manually or insert a keyframe to lock the position for a few frames. When it's stable, attach your graphic, text, or sticker. Select the asset, choose link to track, and align it. Make micro adjustments so the attached element looks naturally anchored during. You finish by playing the clip at full speed to confirm alignment across the whole duration. This reveals subtle jumps you might miss frame by frame. If you see jitter, smooth it by adjusting keyframe interpolation or trim the tracked range and reapply tracking to the problematic segment. If tracking fails repeatedly, retrack starting from an earlier, cleaner frame or pick a more contrasty point on the subject. This often fixes drift. Remember, retracking with small, corrected segments is faster than fixing many tiny keyframes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.